The blowfly family Californidae is a group of flies well known for their metallic coloration, most commonly green or blue. These flies are often associated with decaying organic matter, as they are among the first insects to colonize dead animals, making them vital to the process of decomposition. While their connection to decay may seem unpleasant, blowflies play essential roles in both forensic science and ecosystem functioning. Some species are also known for their parasitic behavior in animals and humans. Found globally, blowflies are a diverse and widespread group of flies with fascinating biology and behavior. Physical characteristics: blowflies are medium-sized, robust flies, typically ranging from 6 to 14 millimeters in length. They are often recognized by their metallic coloration, which can be green, blue, or even black depending on the species. Key physical features include antennae, short and sensitive, used to detect smells and locate food sources; compound eyes, large and prominent, providing excellent vision to detect movement and navigate their environment; wings, two transparent wings allow swift flight, enabling blowflies to quickly travel to decaying matter; mouthparts, specialized for sponging liquids. Blowflies feed by secreting digestive enzymes to break down solids, then sucking up the liquefied nutrients. Blowflies are sometimes confused with houseflies, but their metallic coloring and larger size often set them apart. Species and notable types: there are many species of blowflies, each with unique behaviors and habitats. Some of the most well-known include common green bottle fly, Lacilia sericata, a green-colored blowfly species. It is often used in forensic entomology to estimate the time of death in human cases, and is also used for maggot therapy to clean wounds. Bluebottle fly, Califera vomitoria, known for its metallic blue color. The bluebottle fly is common in urban and rural areas and is frequently found near decaying matter. Screwworm fly, Cochleomia hominivirax, a notorious species in tropical regions. The screwworm fly is parasitic and lays its eggs in the wounds of living animals, where the larvae feed on flesh. Life cycle and reproduction: blowflies undergo complete metamorphosis, which includes the following stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs: female blowflies lay their eggs on decaying organic matter, including carrion, dead animals, or rotting food. They may also lay eggs in open wounds on live animals, in some parasitic species. A single female can lay up to 250 eggs at a time, and the eggs hatch within 24 hours. Larvae, maggots. After hatching, blowfly larvae, commonly called maggots, begin feeding on the decaying material. The maggots play an essential role in the decomposition process by breaking down tissues, accelerating decay. The larval stage typically lasts 3 to 10 days, during which the maggots grow rapidly. Pupae: after reaching full size, the larvae leave the food source and burrow into the soil or a protected area to pupate. Inside the pupa, the maggot undergoes metamorphosis, emerging as an adult blowfly in about 7 to 20 days. Adult: the adult blowfly emerges from the pupal case, ready to fly and mate. Adult blowflies primarily feed on nectar, rotting fruit, or other liquid substances, but their primary function is reproduction. Adults live for about 2 to 8 weeks, during which they seek out suitable sites for egg laying. Behavior and ecology: blowflies are known for their role as decomposers, helping break down dead organic material in the environment. They are highly efficient at detecting carrion or other decaying matter from long distances, often being among the first insects to arrive at a dead body. This makes them important for both natural ecosystems and forensic investigations. Forensic entomology: blowflies are essential in forensic science, as the presence and development stages of their larvae on a corpse can help determine the time of death. Because their life cycle is predictable, forensic entomologists can estimate how long a body has been dead based on the age of the blowfly larvae present. Pollination: in addition to their decomposer role, adult blowflies can also serve as pollinators, especially for plants that emit strong odors resembling decaying matter, which attract the flies. These plants, such as certain types of carrion flowers, rely on blowflies for pollination. Parasitic behavior: some species of blowflies exhibit parasitism, laying their eggs in wounds on living animals. The larvae then feed on the living tissue, causing painful wounds that can lead to severe infections or even death in livestock or wildlife. The screwworm fly is one such species, and its control is vital for preventing livestock loss in affected areas. Maggot therapy: interestingly, blowfly larvae of certain species, such as the common green bottle fly, are used in modern medicine for maggot therapy. Sterile maggots are applied to chronic wounds or ulcers to clean dead tissue while leaving healthy tissue intact. This process promotes faster healing and prevents infections. Threats and human interaction. Blowflies are considered pests in many areas because they are associated with decay, disease transmission, and food contamination. They can transmit bacteria from decomposing matter to food, posing a health risk if proper hygiene isn't maintained. However, their beneficial roles in decomposition and forensics, as well as their use in medical therapy, highlight their importance in various human fields. The blowfly, often misunderstood due to its association with decay, is an incredibly important insect for both nature and human industries. From aiding in the breakdown of dead matter to playing a critical role in forensic science and even medical treatments, blowflies offer valuable ecological services. Despite being seen as pests at times, their complex life cycle and diverse adaptations make them a fascinating subject of study, as they continue to contribute to both environmental balance and scientific advancement. Thank you for watching, guys.